Sweden-based Volvo Cars has reported a decline in its sales for November, continuing a challenging year for the automaker. According to the company, it sold just over 60,000 cars in November, marking a 10% drop compared to the same month last year. This brings the year-to-date decline in volumes to around 8%. Volvo, which is majority-owned by China's Geely Holding, is facing pressure from several factors, including trade tariffs and weaker demand in key markets, particularly the United States. The company noted that US sales remain subdued following the phase-out of electric vehicle tax credits, which had previously incentivized buyers to opt for cleaner, battery-powered cars. Despite the overall decline, Volvo Cars continues to see growth in its fully electric vehicle segment. Sales of fully electric cars rose by 4% compared to last year, accounting for nearly a quarter of the total volume sold. Meanwhile, sales of electrified cars as a whole, which includes plug-in hybrid models, declined by 5%, representing about half of the total volumes. Volvo has been undergoing a strategic overhaul in recent years, aiming to position itself as a premium, sustainable automaker. Part of this strategy includes a long-term target of achieving an operating profit margin of more than 8%. The company remains committed to expanding its electric and electrified vehicle offerings, even as overall demand softens in some key markets. Analysts point out that the broader automotive sector is facing headwinds from rising interest rates, lingering supply chain disruptions, and changing government incentives, particularly in the US, which have affected the purchase of electric vehicles. Volvo's focus on electrification, however, positions it well for long-term growth as global demand for EVs continues to rise. In summary, November was another challenging month for Volvo Cars, with overall sales down 10%. But the company continues to make steady progress in the electric vehicle segment, which now accounts for a significant share of its total sales. Going forward, Volvo's ability to navigate market fluctuations, trade uncertainties, and evolving consumer preferences will be key to sustaining growth and reaching its ambitious profitability targets.